In the year 1983, Howard Gardner, an American developmental psychologist, introduced 9 distinct types of intelligence that an individual can manifest. These are Naturalist Intelligence, Musical Intelligence, Logical Mathematical Intelligence, Existential Intelligence, Interpersonal Intelligence, Bodily-Kinesthetic Intelligence, Linguistic Intelligence, Interpersonal Intelligence, Spatial Intelligence. In this video, we will focus on the 9th type, which is spatial intelligence. We'll discuss its characteristics, abilities, famous individuals with this type of intelligence, and its contribution to a technological society.
Spatial intelligence refers to the ability to comprehend and manipulate the spatial world around us. People with strong spatial intelligence possess a unique set of characteristics that enable them to excel in various fields and activities involving visualizing, understanding, and manipulating space. Here are some key characteristics of individuals with spatial intelligence. People with spatial intelligence have an innate ability to visualize objects, shapes, and spatial arrangements in their minds. They often have an incredible sense of direction and can easily find their way in unfamiliar environments. They can express themselves through various visual mediums, such as drawing, painting, sculpture, and design. Individuals with spatial intelligence excel in problem solving, especially when it comes to puzzles and spatial challenges. This type of intelligence often lends itself to careers in architecture and engineering.
They have a talent for recognizing patterns, which is useful in fields like mathematics, computer science, and data analysis. Some individuals with spatial intelligence have a photographic memory when it comes to visual information. Spatial intelligence is closely related to the understanding of geometric principles and mathematical concepts related to space. In conclusion, people with spatial intelligence possess a unique set of skills and characteristics that enable them to excel in various areas, from arts and design to science and engineering. Their ability to perceive, manipulate, and understand spatial relationships is a valuable asset in a wide range of professions and activities.
Here are some famous people known for their spatial intelligence and their contributions. Leonardo da Vinci, known for his mastery in various fields, including painting, anatomy, engineering, and invention. Leonardo da Vinci's detailed anatomical drawings and iconic paintings like the Mona Lisa and The Last Supper showcase his deep spatial intelligence. Albert Einstein, although primarily known for his contributions to theoretical physics and the theory of relativity, Einstein's thought experiments and visualizations played a crucial role in the development of his groundbreaking theories. His spatial reasoning was fundamental in understanding complex physical phenomena.
Zaha Hadid, an innovative Iraqi-British architect known for her futuristic and dynamic architectural designs. She was the first woman to receive the Pritzker Architecture Prize and made a significant impact on architectural design with buildings like the Haydar Aliyev Center in Baku. M.C. Escher, a Dutch artist known for his mathematically inspired and mind-bending artworks. His intricate prints, such as relativity and waterfall, demonstrate the interaction between space and perception.
People with spatial intelligence can make significant contributions to a technological society through collaboration in various ways. Here are some examples. Architecture and urban planning. They can use their skills to create innovative designs that maximize space and resources, taking environmental and social factors into account. Virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR. They can help design virtual spaces, 3D models, and interactive environments that enhance training, education, entertainment, and other applications. Geospatial technologies. These individuals can collaborate with geospatial experts to analyze and visualize complex geographical data for mapping, environmental monitoring, and urban planning applications.
Artificial intelligence, AI, and robotics. They can contribute to creating algorithms and systems that enable robots to perceive and interact with their environments effectively. Manufacturing and 3D printing. Collaborating with engineers and manufacturers, individuals with this intelligence can optimize production processes, design intricate parts and prototypes, and solve spatial configuration-related problems. Medical imaging and surgery. People with spatial intelligence can help improve medical imaging technologies such as MRI and CT scans and contribute to surgical planning and navigation, resulting in more precise and less invasive procedures.
Did you find this video informative? If you have any insights on your journey regarding spatial intelligence, please share with us in the comments below. Thank you for watching the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a like. Goodbye.